Hey guys, welcome back to another video with Straight Outta Content. Today we are here at night. We are in our store at night. It's what, like 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock? Let's see what time it is. It is 10:13 at night. And we are in our store. You see, they still haven't finished everything, but we are working nonetheless. We are working on our bathroom. You see here, we got some cracks right here. I don't know if you guys can see that. Got some cracks right here, so kind of filling in the cracks right here because we're gonna paint this white. Got Shelly, AKA Flash Custom Designs. She's cleaning all the toilets and stuff like that. So I know it looks bad now, but this bathroom will look 10 times better once we're done with it. We already have a new mirror, we already have a new lighting fixture. They still have to put in the baseboards in here. And we have a whole 5-gallon bucket of white paint that we're gonna paint, refresh the whole bathroom, make it look nice, probably put some pictures and stuff like that. Even though this will not be a public bathroom, we still want it to be a very nice bathroom for us. So we're here working at night. Obviously, we can't do a lot of things. The AC actually does work, but we can't do a lot of things because they have to move everything out. They said that they're gonna do that tomorrow. They also have to put up all the insulation and stuff like that. Make sure you guys check out our other video where we tested our paint. Let us know down below if you think that's green enough, if you think that's neon green enough. It looks pretty neon green right there, especially on camera. And it does over there too, so. But yeah, so what we're gonna do is we're just gonna keep working on our end so that once they do clear everything out, it's just one less thing we have to do. This is just how business is. Just the things that you're gonna run into whenever you try to start your own business. And that's the reason why we're here, to show you guys what we go through. So we were sitting at home and we were like, do we wanna go to a car meet or do we wanna go to our store, and what can we do? What one thing can we do at our store? Well, we can do the bathroom. So we wanna go ahead, finish the bathroom. We did forget a few things to scrub, but we're actually gonna use our broom to scrub it. We bought a lot of cleaning products. Scrub it clean. We actually forgot our paint roller, but that's fine. We'll still end up let me see if I'm losing focus. We'll still end up painting it, which is cool. And then on top of that, we just have to change the lighting fixtures, which is easy. You get anything off of like Amazon. So whatever we do add to the bathroom, we will definitely put in the link in the description below if you guys want to add it to your bathroom or something like that. So let me go ahead and set up the camera. We're going to jam some music. So just vibe out with us as we clean our bathroom. All right, guys. So as you can see here, we got some black paint, because what we're going to do is, oh, the fan actually sounds better. It just sucks whenever it first comes on. So we're gonna do an accent wall right here, all black. And then the other two walls will be white, just to kind of liven it up. Maybe we'll put some black here on the doors. I don't know yet, but it's all up to Chili, but that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna go ahead and get into that, start painting this wall black. So this is the final product, as you guys can see. It's about one good coat of black. Definitely covered really well. And then on top of this, we also just cleaned up everything. We had to get some raid because of some tree roaches. That's Texas. We're definitely gonna redo the mirror. We just have the wrong screwdriver, but we have a nice mirror that should work for this. If not, we'll just have to place it if the mirror we got, no, in fact, the mirror we got is a little bit bigger. We're also gonna be replacing that right there as well. And we're gonna be painting everything else white. And that's it for the bathroom. So we're glad that we're getting that done. I don't have my thing. Yeah, so that's it for the bathroom. We're glad we're knocking out the bathroom. So that's one less thing Chella and I have to do. Let's go on out here because it's a lot better light. That's one less thing that we have to do. Yeah, there we go. Nice bright LEDs.
Cool AC.
Yeah, cool AC. So the AC does work. It looks like it's leaking again, isn't it? Mm-mm. No, it doesn't look wet. I want to get up there and touch it.
No,
it already looked like that? Yeah. Mm-hmm. So that's one less thing we got to do before we open the store, right? Obviously, there's a lot of other things that need to be done, but today's Friday.
Today's Saturday. Today's Friday?
Well, yeah,
it is.
It's just now, yeah, because of midnight.
Friday, 11:40. We took
Yeah.
advantage. We don't have our children, so we were like, let's get something done.
Yeah.
So we cleaned it and we painted, and
Yeah.
just one last thing we gotta do.
Yep. And we'll come back tomorrow. We'll probably knock out the white. And if they have all this stuff moved out, then we will start to move everything in. Mm-hmm. That's our goal, to try to set up the store like how we want it.
Yeah.
And then they just got to do this stuff up here and on the other side, paint it, and then finally they will be out of our way so that we can finish the store.
Yeah. Maybe we'll take off those things like you said tomorrow.
Yeah, maybe scrape off those letters over there.
Yeah.
I was thinking maybe one would be the logo, one will be the social media on the other side,
Yeah,
something like
we'll
that.
figure it out.
Yeah, we'll figure it out. So that's gonna be it for this video, guys. Definitely stay tuned for all our other videos. If you guys have any business questions or, hey, how do you do this? How do you do that? Because the next thing we have to do is get our permits. Inspection, yeah.
And then permit of occupancy.
Yep, inspection and permit of occupancy. So that's next, guys. So please hang out with us and remember to subscribe so you can learn more about business and all the other things that we're doing that we got going on. Mm-hmm. What I was like really loving is looking out the store to see my car there. It just felt really good. You know what I mean? Looking out your own store and seeing your car parked outside your store. It's just a really cool feeling. All right, guys, it's hurt my arm, so I'm hungry. What are we gonna eat?
I don't know. You're hungry?
I'm starving.
You're not starving.
We only ate once. All right, guys, be basic. Peace.